Technology has taken a turn around in recent years. Things that we could never imagine are now being used widely across the world. For example, who would have thought that a voice command can switch on and off an appliance, right? We didn't even think that people would use a smart and automated home security system instead of a traditional lock and keys. However, since the birth of different technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, AWS, and many more, our perspective about the world has taken a 180-degree turn. Thanks to all these new and emerging technologies, the word impossible has probably been removed from the technology dictionary. One such technology that can potentially change the future world in a way no one has envisioned is the IoT, or the Internet of Things. By the time we will finish discussing everything related to IoT, you will have gained enough knowledge to start your career with this technology. Let us know what we are going to cover in the session majorly. Number 1, what is IoT? Number 2, why IoT? Number 3, birth of IoT. Number 4, need of IoT in the IT industry. Number 5, know about IoT architecture. Number 6, IoT in real life. Number 7, what are the job options and career opportunities? Number 8, future of IoT. Number 9, summary. Our prime focus is to learn what is IoT, evolution of IoT, and how it all began. What is IoT? Before we jump into any section, we would like to introduce you to the world of IoT. Going by the textbooks, IoT, or the Internet of Things, can be described as a network of various physical items like mobiles, computers, laptops, and others connected through the Internet. Doesn't it sound difficult to understand? Well, allow us to simplify the concept for your better understanding. Let's say you have a bunch of things like 2 laptops, 1 mobile phone, a computer, a washing machine, a printer, and some other appliances in your home. If all these devices have IoT integrated in them, you will be able to connect every single device with each other using the internet or the wireless connection you have in your home. Once all these devices will be connected over the internet, you can access one device with another without having to move from one place to the other. Why did IoT come into place? With the internet emerging as one of the most used platforms for connecting around the world, tech experts and professionals decided to use the internet to make physical connections between non-living objects. Before the emergence of this idea, the internet was merely used for getting connected with other people by overcoming geological interferences. Several experts simply wanted to revolutionize this idea and use the World Wide Web in a different way. That's when the concept of IoT came into place. In 2010, a rumor stated that Google's famous Street View service had stored information about several wireless network users. After almost a decade, IoT has become a massively used technology with its network connecting approximately 13.8 billion things via the internet. Keeping the growth in mind, we have formulated and structured a course program that will introduce you to IoT, its importance in the tech industry, and its history. We will also have a quick glance about its potential for changing the future for the betterment of the world. Birth of IoT. How did it all begin? To understand the birth of IoT, let's go back to the 1960s when the internet came into existence. During that time, the World Wide Web has limited use, and hence experts didn't have knowledge about its implementation with other technologies. The birth of IoT happened in 1980s, almost 2 decades after the internet was formed. a group of local programmers designed a Coca-Cola vending machine that was connected to the internet. Officially, IoT's birthplace was the Carnegie Mellon University, where the programmers studied how the vending machine would work in collaboration with the internet. This massive invention boosted the research work related to IoT and further understanding the technology to learn about its potential. Finally, after another decade, John Romkey connected a toaster to the internet via the TCP/IP protocol. The term Internet of Things was coined later in 1999 by Kevin Ashton after he explained how different devices could be connected with each other via RFID chips for a supply chain business. In real terms, the IoT technology was implemented in real world when 23 countries discussed RFIDs and sensor networks in an international conference based on the concerned technology. What is the need of IoT in the technology industry? Several tech experts working with IoT have forecasted that by 2025, there will be almost 31 billion IoT devices all around the world compared to the 10 million non-IoT devices. Furthermore, after the implementation of the technology in several operations around the world, several businesses have witnessed rapid growth and digitalization. IoT is not only just a career option for aspiring tech savvies like you, but also an opportunity for revolutionizing the obsolete and outdated industrial operations. Is it getting more complicated to understand the importance of IoT right now? To have a clear perspective about the Internet of Things and its impact on the world, we would share some of its major benefits in real life. Number 1. Provides access to more data. One of the major areas where IoT has become the king is data collection. When several devices are connected via the internet to a database system, numerous data classes can be recorded automatically. This will help companies and businesses to analyze the trend in the collected data and make decisions for the betterment of the products. Several companies in the world have already implemented IoT to collect more data from different endpoints. With proper mining and analysis, one will be able to have clarity and make decisions based on real-life knowledge and not on assumptions. Helps in tracking and supervising various networks. IoT devices are bolstered with numerous sensors and RFID chips for ensuring a strong connection with other devices present in the network. Thanks to these sensors, one will be able to track the device's movement and even monitor several activities in real time. Thanks to this, businesses involved in manufacturing, warehouses and supply chain management have smoothly operated without any hustle. They can track shipments, monitor a system, understand functionalities with ease and prevent losses with the help of the IoT technology. Allows to implement the concept of automation. One of the major implementations of IoT is in the automation industry. The Internet of Things will help the tech experts automate different functions and operations of system or devices. Automation will not only reduce the manual human labor but also increase the accuracy and precision in the results. That's why in many industries, IoT devices are used for implementing automation for better efficiency and productivity. Helps in optimizing energy utilities. Another area where IoT has a huge impact is the energy department. With electrical devices based on this technology, several data can be easily connected like current consumption, power ratings, warning values and so on. Thanks to IoT devices, the normal rate of energy usage has been decreased to a level where sustainability can be introduced to protect the environment and prevent the overusage of energy in various forms. What is IoT architecture? It's time to learn about IoT architecture, which we have explained in simple terms for in-depth understanding. IoT devices can record different types of data to store the information in a cloud-based network or an on-site server for further references. However, there need to be something that would guide the data to move to the right place and in the correct format. This will make the job of an analyst and a data miner much easier since the collected data will be accurate and in proper form. This guide is known as the IoT architecture, which is a vital part of our learning course plan about this technology. Without having a proper knowledge about IoT architecture, implementing it in real-life situation is practically impossible. Starting from the activation of sensor in the IoT devices to gathering data and analyzing them in a cloud-based server, the entire architecture is divided into 4 stages. Stage 1. The first stage involves collection of data from the sensor and actuators present in the IoT devices. These data sets contain real-time information about the devices working at a particular stage, its response to environmental conditions, and obviously the external environmental data. Stage 2. Once the sensors collect the data sets, they are fed to the Data Acquisition System or DAS. It has an ADC component that converts all these analog information pieces into digital bits and then arrange them properly. After it is done, the digital stream of bit is sent over via an internet gateway which can be wired or wireless. Stage 3. In the processing stage, the raw data sets are analyzed roughly to reduce their volume before they enter the data center. During the analysis, several unused or useless information blocks are removed from the digital data blocks. Stage 4. In the last stage, these data blocks are fed to the cloud network or any other data center where deeper analysis take place. Finally, experts and analytical professionals work on understanding the information behind the collected data and forecasting several results like budget, performance, and market reputation, etc. To connect these 4 stages, an IoT platform is used, which provide proper guidance for ensuring that data sets are going to the right place and in a right order. Also, this platform decides how much data processing will be done in the 3rd and the 4th stage of the IoT architecture. Cases of IoT in real life. It would be amazing practicing IoT by understanding some real-world examples. The introduction of IoT-based products paved their way for automation to enter our daily lives. With the aim of making our lives simpler, many products were launched that use IoT to automate simple everyday work processes. Therefore, let us look at some real-life applications of IoT. Smart homes. Smart homes have become the most common application of IoT in our daily lives. They allow you to control different elements of your house from anywhere. The application involves switching on or off the lights of your house, controlling the functioning of air conditioners, water heaters, and similar products. With the help of IoT-based devices, you can control the functioning of such elements from your smartphone. Wearables. One of the most loved technology that IoT has gifted humankind are wearables. The demand for wearables in the market has increased dramatically in recent years. These are devices like smartwatches or Fitbit that can be worn. These devices are integrated with the IoT technology to access information about the user and collect insights. They are used in the healthcare industry to access the vitals of the patient and provide impromptu results. Smart farming. There is a growing need for better agriculture techniques to meet the requirements of humankind. And in this drought, IoT is becoming an anchor that is holding different techniques together. Smart farming has become very helpful as it collects important data from different elements of farming and provides valuable insights. For example, it allows farmer to understand the matrix of the soil, control the fertilizer content, effectively helping in the growing of the crop. Career options and job profiles in IoT. Excited to know different job profiles and career options in IoT? Let us explore them together. IoT is here and it will stay in trend for more than a century. With endless applications and possibilities, it has become a great career option. In layman's language, there is a need to connect everything to the internet in order to it to be analyzed and understood in a better way. Almost every industry is looking to introduce IoTs in their production or service, and because of that, there is a high demand for professionals that have broad knowledge about IoT. Hence, let us look at all the different career options and job profiles that IoT has made popular. Number 1. Data analyst. With IoT providing insight and data for every operation, it is essential that data be categorized to make sense. Therefore, it is the data analyst's job to make sense of every data collected by the IoT sensors and form a detailed report that can help the organization or a particular user. Number 2. Network developers. Industries uses different IoT sensors and setup to deploy and collect insights. However, this setup can be highly complex, in which even a small misconnection of wires can cause a cascade of problems. Therefore, they must be governed by a network architect to keep everything in check and ensure the efficient working of all the connected devices. Number 3. Sensor professional. Every device and every operation of IoT are based upon sensors. IoT uses sensors to connect with different peripherals and collect valuable data. Therefore, for the proper functionality of IoT devices, highly skilled professionals who understand every sensor metric are required. There are many other roles and job profiles in the IoT based industry, such as embedded sensor engineer, hardware manager, and security analyzer. These job profiles will stay in demand as long as there is IoT. Therefore, if you are specialized in IoT, you can use your skills and knowledge to build a great and stable career. Future of IoT. Wondering what would be the future of IoTians? How safe are you as an IoT career professional in 2022 and beyond? There are limitless possibilities for the IoT applications, as it can be integrated into any operation. Moreover, with the introduction of AI, IoT's worth has risen exponentially. These two aspects of operation complement each other in a way that will help every industry reach the peak of its potential. The future of IoT seems like an infinite sea of new technologies and applications that could be brought forward to make operations efficient. It will make for happy industries such as healthcare, production, education, and remote control, and make them rise to their highest potential and help humankind lead an easy life. Summing up, the Internet of Things has become one of the governing technologies that will play an important role in many technological advancements. Not only that, it has opened a career field for many professionals to use their skills and have a secure career. With applications in production, healthcare, education, and agriculture, it will surely help humankind for a long period. It is here to revolutionize every technological advancement, and with time, it will have more and more applications that will help humankind reach new zeniths. We are sure that this session was helpful and that you learned high quality stuff today that will help you to grow in your career incredibly. To watch more such amazing videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel right away and stay tuned for all the latest updates.